Hey everyone, it's Holly with SCN. Over the holiday break, I kind of explored a few new video options, and so I want to share those with you over the next 3 weeks, where one of them is going to be a new video service called Wistia, and then the other two are video creation options. One's called Animoto, and the other is Go Animate. Lots of fun. So you've heard of YouTube and Vimeo, but today I'm going to introduce you to Wistia. It's another location where you can upload your videos, but it has some features that I think really make it unique, especially in the presentation of your videos and distribution. And I also think it's really nice because it's really user-friendly. So first, sign up for a free account pretty easily. Of course, you can choose a paid one too, which will give you some more options, and we'll look at that a little bit later. But the free account really offers some nice features, so you might just want to try that out first before you go ahead and paying for it. So once you're logged in, you hit your account, and you can start uploading your videos. Now, what's nice about Wistia is that you can actually organize your videos really nicely by creating projects. You can see I already have a few projects over here that are created, within each one of those you can upload a number of videos. So maybe you have one for each of your buildings, or maybe it's themes, kindergarten or high school or something along those lines. Like you can see here in my middle school videos page, I already have a couple of videos that are already in there. And if you don't want categories though, just simply create a new project for each video that you upload. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. Same video. So let's go ahead and hover over projects. We'll create a new project. The first thing you want to do is click edit here and go ahead and add a title. And then you can also add a description. Once you hit save, you're back to that project and it's time to upload that video. So you can click at upload one right here. Or you can also go to Project Actions and just hit upload from here. Either one works exactly the same way. So once you click on upload, it'll take you right into your computers. And I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to upload a Girls on the Run video that I did not too long ago. Just double click on the one that you want and you'll see that it starts to upload. I will say that I have had a few issues in uploading some videos. Sometimes there's no issues at all, just like this, that uploaded really quickly. And other times I've received an error. I feel most of the errors are coming from videos that I created with my iPad using another software other than iMovie. But it might just be a trial and error thing because other times it's actually worked too. So this one obviously uploaded fine. So now we can have some fun with it. Click right on the video, and usually it's queued for processing. So the conversion will begin shortly. It needs to process it to be web ready. So we'll wait for that to happen. Okay, once it's done processing, then the video will come up here and we can start to have some fun with it. So once it's finished, hover over video actions again, and you can see there's a lot of different options here that we'll get to a little bit later, but the fun part is to actually customize it. So go ahead and click on customize. And we'll see all of these options coming up over here on the left-hand side. And this basically allows you to make your video appear and have as a part of it whatever you want it to. So we'll go ahead and start with appearance. And there's several different things that we want to do. Now with this video in particular, as soon as I start this video off, you can see where there's a really bright pink here. So you can change literally the appearance of how it looks. So I want to try and kind of match that pink because I think that would be fun. You can just take this and move it around, try and find the right pink. If you want to make it lighter, you can do that. If you want to keep it darker, do that. And once you have that set, that's done. The other thing you can do is decide on your thumbnail. You can actually upload an image if you have a picture that you want to use, or you can find any frame along your video and decide which one you want to have as your thumbnail. Now I'm going to go ahead and keep that beginning one because I like the saying that it is, so I'm going to put use the current frame. That will process that and just go ahead and save it. Next, you can decide which controls you want to appear on your video. Right now we see the big play button, a small play button, the play bar, volume, full screen, etc. So you can decide though what, if anything, you actually want on there. So I will unclick those. You can kind of see them go away as we're doing it. So you can have it so that there's absolutely nothing on here. Now the Wistia banner, once you play it, that's always going to stay at the top unless you have paid for the service. But again, once you hover off of that, it also goes off of there. I'm going to go ahead and put some of these back on and have the play bar, and definitely want the full screen option. So then once you hover over that, you have just the options that you want. Now the video behavior, you can also plan on that if you want it to autoplay. When the page loads, you can have it so that it will pause on the last frame, reset to the thumbnail, or loop the video, which would be really nice if you had some sort of parent night or something along those lines. The next thing is to decide what social media things you want on there. Currently it has an embed button. You can tweet it, or you can share it on Facebook. But there are a lot more you can choose from. You can put the play count on there. You can put the email so somebody can email the video to someone, and it just all goes down here. You can also have the stats or allow people to download that video too. So depending on what your video is what you want to put on here. I'm just going to put kind of the typical things so that people can share our video, and we'll go ahead and do that. Now, you can also add your own logo right to the right-hand side where you can see the Wistia right here. But you can upload your own image. As long as it's 100 by 20, you just click upload and go ahead and use whatever picture you want to use. As long as it's those dimensions, it will fit really nicely right there. Then the call to action. Now here's where we get into the features that are part of the paid package. Call to action here. This is a premium feature, but you can actually put a message along with a link at the end of your video. The turnstile. You can ask people to submit their name and email if you want them to. We'll turn that off for this one. And then finally, captions. You can have it so that there's closed captioning on here. You can actually upload script already, or you can order them. That's an additional paid service, but that's an option as well. We'll go ahead and turn that off. We have our video the way we want it to be, so we scroll all the way back up here and click save. And now our video is saved. Now, a lot of these options are also available on Vimeo or YouTube. You can make the video look a little bit, like you want to, but I really feel that this site makes it a lot easier to just quickly make those decisions. It's very easy to use, and I also like the option that you can make this video look like and there's nothing on it. So it's just the video. People can really check out your video versus highlighting the service instead. So okay, once we've saved it here, we're going to hover back over video actions, and we'll either download it or click embed and share. And once we do that, we can choose some different options here. We can choose to get the embed code, which is right here. We can link it to an email campaign like with MailChimp or Constant Contact, or get the link to share it on social media. For this, we're going to use the embed code because I'd put it maybe on our website. You simply copy it here and then paste it into your website and see how it is. So I just want to show you here at the end of this video how this looks in different ways that we put it on our website. If you scroll up here, you can see this is the top one. This is a YouTube video, and how that appears is if you embed it on a website. Here, this is a Wistia video that we created that you can just kind of see. I chose different things to use in the appearance of it when it first shows up. In this one here, I just tap and click, and that is what it looks like with nothing on it. So it's a nice clean video, and it also has our logo in the corner. Compare that now also to Animoto. This is another video service that we'll be talking about this month, and so you can see obviously that has a lot of ads on it. And again, compare that to Vimeo right here, and that also has some ads on it. So while I did have a couple issues with some of the videos uploading, I really overall like Wistia for how easy it is to use it and customize, and the options in how it appears and how easy it is to share as well. Next week, we'll do more video creation by taking a look at Animoto, which gives you some fun options for creating photo and video slideshows. So we'll see you then.